Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best GPS drone on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Lenovo GPS Drone. The Lenovo GPS Drone is a versatile entry-level drone that offers stability, speed, and functionality. It is designed to handle wind speeds less than 10 km per hour, making it suitable for calm weather conditions. The drone has a lightweight and durable takeoff weight of 2 to 3 kilograms, making it easy to maneuver. Its removable and replaceable battery system allows users to swap out batteries on the go, ensuring longer flying sessions without waiting for a recharge. The built-in display provides real-time data and enhances the user experience. The drone is recommended for users aged 7 years and above, making it user-friendly and accessible. Its camera quality is 720p, capturing clear and vibrant videos. The drone has a 30x angle of view horizontally, providing comprehensive coverage and aerial perspectives. Its speed and descent speed are impressive, with a maximum horizontal speed of 13 meters per second for dynamic flying and 12 meters per second for quick landings. Number 4. ZUIDID GPS Drone. The ZUIDID GPS drone is a lightweight, sturdy drone with impressive features that cater to both novice and experienced drone enthusiasts. Its high-resolution camera captures detailed and vibrant images and videos with electronic image stabilization for smooth footage, even in less than ideal conditions. The drone has a maximum flight time of 25 minutes, with dual-frequency operation enhancing signal strength and reliability. Its omnidirectional sensing system helps avoid obstacles in all directions, preventing collisions and ensuring a safe flight. GPS enhances flight stability and provides accurate positioning, making navigation easier and more reliable. The drone supports multiple languages, including English and simplified Chinese, in its companion app, enhancing the user experience with intuitive control and real-time monitoring. Number 3. BANGKEXI GPS Drone. The BANGKEXI GPS Drone, Model S9 Ultra, is a versatile and high-performing drone suitable for all levels of expertise. It is lightweight, weighing only 140 grams, and has anti-wind capabilities rated at level 1. The drone offers a flight time of 20 to 30 minutes with a lithium battery and ergonomic controller. The 4K UHD video capture resolution ensures crystal clear footage, while the 2-axis gimbal camera mount ensures smooth and stable video. The 4-channel controller, operating in MODE 2, provides an intuitive and responsive flying experience, with GPS functionality enhancing navigation. The drone is versatile, suitable for beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. Its easy-to-use controls and stability features make it ideal for beginners, while its advanced functionalities and high-quality camera appeal to more experienced enthusiasts. The drone is CE certified, ensuring compliance with health, safety, and environmental protection standards. The drone also has a swift transit time of just 3 days, making it a quick and convenient choice for drone enthusiasts. Number 2. MIJIA GPS Drone. The MIJIA GPS drone is a lightweight and portable drone suitable for amateur and intermediate drone enthusiasts. Its lightweight build quality ensures durability and reliability in various flying conditions. The drone has a max flight time of 35 minutes, allowing users to capture more footage without frequent recharging. It can withstand wind speeds of up to 10 km per hour, ensuring stable flight in mild windy conditions. The camera records in MP4 format with a resolution of 240p, suitable for basic video recording. The removable and replaceable battery system allows quick battery replacement without long downtime. The drone operates at 2.4 GHz frequency, ensuring reliable connection, and supports multiple languages on its app. However, it lacks an aerosol spraying system or spread tank, which some users may seek in advanced agricultural drones, and an RTK module for real-time kinematic positioning, which may be a drawback for high-precision navigation users. Number 1. JKING GPS Drone. The JKING GPS Drone is an affordable, user-friendly drone designed for both beginners and experienced users. Its lightweight yet sturdy design allows for easy portability and captures stunning aerial shots. The drone's high-resolution camera, with a maximum video resolution of 4K, delivers exceptional image quality. Equipped with GPS, the drone offers stable and precise navigation, enhancing its ability to hover steadily. It operates on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies, providing offering a reliable connection for seamless flight experiences. The 2000 mAh battery offers a flight time of up to 18 minutes on a single charge, making it suitable for quick aerial shots or brief flying sessions. The drone can be controlled via an app controller, remote control, or Wi-Fi connection with a remote distance of up to 100 meters. It can withstand wind speeds of up to 10 kilometers per hour, making it suitable for mild weather conditions. Recommended for users aged 14 and above, the JKING GPS drone is easy to operate with intuitive controls and stable flight capabilities, making it a perfect gift for teenagers and adults. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.